Once an author described Jesus as a rock star. Sinusundan siya ng mga tao. Gustong lumapit lahat kay Jesus. Everyone would like to talk to him and maybe ask something from him. Pero bilang tao, baka nakadama din siya ng pagod o marahil ang pagbaba ng kanyang social battery whenever people would like to see him or talk to him. I do believe that it was not only Jairus and the woman suffering from hemorrhages were the ones he got into contact with. Baka mas madami pa. At sa dami ng mga ito, he cannot but feel tired or maybe just set aside those moments with them. But then, in the midst of these concerns, Jesus chose to be faithful to his mission of spreading the love. Tons of concerns were brought to him, but he replied with tons of mercy and love as well for them. I do believe that it was not only Jairus' daughter and the woman who got the attention of Jesus. Everyone who came to him was blessed by him. Busy man, madami mang gustong lumapit, pero tiyak ako lahat sila nabiyayaan at nabigyan ng pagkakataon. Napakagandang paalala at kwento po nito para sa atin. Jesus passed or walked through a lot of concerns, a lot of people, and a lot of needs. But he was consistent in doing what is good and lovely for his people. Pwede niyang kainitan ng ulo ang sunod-sunod na concerns na mga ito. Pero nanatili siyang composed, masaya at mabuti sa paggawa ng mga ito. The same goes to us. All of us will pass through halls of peoples, halls of needs, questions, and sometimes out of our schedule concerns and even matters. Nakakapagod at nakakainit ng ulo na harapin ang isa sa mga ito o lahat ng mga ito. But like Jesus, can we manage to be warm and welcoming despite the tons of concerns ahead of us and maybe the pressure these things will offer us? With the tons of concerns, can we still share tons of love? Sa totoo lang po, kada linggo dito sa Manila Cathedral, malalim po ang buntong hininga ko pagkatapos po naming mag-genuflect towards the tabernacle because people are waiting for us in front of the sanctuary. Malalim po ang buntong hininga ko dahil madaming tao, madaming magpapakilala, madaming magsasabi, "Father, please bless us." Madaming magpapapicture. I can just simply ask our servants, please do them for our sake. Dahil gusto ko nang umexit at pumasok sa loob. But I am inspired how people wishes to be blessed and to be entertained. Baka po kasi sa buhay nila sa labas ng simbahan na ito, hindi na sila pinapansin o binabasbasan. Dito lang sa bahay ng Diyos, nila nararamdaman na mahal din sila at tanggap din sila. Kahit ba madami sila at minsan sunod-sunod pa sila na magsasabi ng kanilang kwento at ng kanilang mga hinanaing sa buhay. Mga kapatid, Madami man pong nag-iintay na gawin, pero piliin pa rin ang magmahal ng tunay. Concerns may eat us up, and let this not kill our desire to love and to do good. Dahil sa harap ng pangangailangan, ang unang alay sana ay hindi init ng ulo. Ang unang alay, mainit na pagtanggap at ang masaya nating pagmamahal.